மகாவீர் கோல்ட் சென்னை சார். இது வந்து பியூர் 24 கேரட் கோல்ட் காயின்ஸ் ஸ்டார்டிங் ஃப்ரம் 25 மில்லிகிராம்லேருந்து 1 கிராம் இருக்கும். ஸ்டார்டிங் பட்ஜெட் 600 ருபீஸ்லேருந்து 16,000 ருபீஸ் இருக்குது. அக்கார்டிங் டு ஃபேமிலி ஃபங்க்ஷன் வி கேன் டூ அவர் கஸ்டமைஸ் ஆர்டர். நீங்கள் ஃபேமிலி ரிட்டர்ன் கிஃப்ட் ஐட்டம் கோசம் இது பண்ணலாம். அண்ட் ஆல் எவ்ரி திங் வி கேன் டூ. எல்லோட கஸ்டமைஸ் ஆர்டர் கூட நாங்கள் எடுக்கிறோம் சார்.
My name is Gunjan Jaiswal. We have a brand name is GJ's Exclusive. That is situated in Chennai, Velachery area. So you just have a look our collections. This is all handmade kurtas. This is purely made by hand. And this is originally from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. So South India, we have a sales in Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad and other places. And but basically we have karigars and manufacturers. They are doing this job in Lucknow region. So this expo, we are coming regularly here for Suta exhibitions in Hyatt Residency, Chennai. So this is for 2 days exhibition, today and tomorrow. You please visit our stall number 16. So you get all items. So we have for kids, for ladies, men's. Men's today we don't have, but we have a collection in our store that is in situation in Chennai, Velachery area. So there you can get men's also, kids also, and for ladies so everywhere we have offers, special offers for 2 days in Hyatt Residency. Please do visit us. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Lakita from Tikhi Mirchi, and this is a brand which is run by me and my sister. We always wanted Chennai to have affordable and statement jewelry. That's why we started this brand. We also sell through Instagram and online. You can check us out. It's tikhimirchi.official. We have kept our exhibition with Sutra for the first time, and it's very exciting. We are so happy to see that everybody loves our collection. Do come and check us out. So the exhibitions with Sutra has been very exciting. The organizers are really helpful, and the footfall is great. We have been lucky to meet many customers, and I hope we build a strong relationship with them. So the most interesting part of our collection are these statement earrings. So we have something with figures and also for ethnic wear. You can pair them up with ethnic stuff, and you can also pair them on Western products. These look like a showstopper, and I think everybody should own a few pair of them.
Hi, this is Bhashwati Mukherjee from Kolkata. My brand name is Adita Boutique. On the way from Kolkata, हमने इधर आपके लिए आए हैं तमिलनाडु. So Chennai is always, I think Chennai people is love sarees and very much. That's why I'm coming. All designs are, my designs are all are exclusive and very innovative. These are all handwork. This is all hand embroidered mostly, and I have blouse pieces also, and handcrafted handwork and pure tasar, pure silk. I have in printed version, in work version, and this is Kutch work. All type of varieties work I have. So please, this is Sutra exhibition. I'm always participate with Sutra in different state of India. So please, waiting for you, Tamil Nadu. Please come Chennai. We are waiting. Please come.
Hello, my name is Aarti, and our brand is 12C92.5. We are a pure sterling silver jewelry brand. Everything here is made up of pure silver. We deal in rings, earrings, studs, chains, necklaces, and for kids and ladies and for gents, all three. We have quite a few varieties. Please do come visit us at Sutra exhibitions going on in Hyatt Regency on 29th and 30th April. Thank you.
Hi, this is Suhani. So this is my first time in Sutra, Chennai in Hyatt Regency. I am a small business owner. I have majorly in cotton kurti sets and party wears in Chennai, Tambaram. You can all visit us. First time நான் வந்து இங்கே எக்ஸிபிஷன் வைக்கிறேன், அண்ட் இவ்வளோ வருஷமாக எனக்கு வைக்கணும்னு ஒரு ஆசையாக இருந்துச்சு, ஆனால் நான் வைக்கல பிகாஸ் it's a high risk also, because as we pay high rents, and yeah, customers இருக்காங்க, நல்ல walking இருக்கு, people are good, organizers are good. But yeah, this is giving me a nice positive review still now from the morning. Let's hope for another positive day. I also have an Insta page which is named as Daily Deal. It's Triple S Clothing. Now rombo kashtapotta ada valatittu irukken, so please follow it, and thank you Brio News for giving me this opportunity.
My name is Moshmi and the brand name is MS Studio, and I'm from Delhi. We do exhibitions pan India. I'm a designer basically, and our collection is mostly in denims. And denims, you can see, our fabrics are very they are sustainable. First of all, they are soft denims. The feel, if you feel the fabric, it's 100% cotton, and the difference is like we do in denims different kinds of patterns. Like one is we do hand painting, that is the specialty. We do embroidered. We do something like, I'll show you one or two. This is like paint. This is like painted. The client here are, they are really stylish, and though they know what they want. Like uh, whoever has come and in our shop, they appreciate it, and like everyone purchased more than two to three pieces from us, and they really liking our stuff, and we are really happy coming over here. It's a good city. We will again like to come again. We have our own website. It's msstudio.co.in, and you can visit my Insta page also, in msstudio 451. That is our Insta handle, and our website is msstudio.co.in. Thank you.